You and I are obviously at what they call a crossroads. So here's what's gonna happen. If it wasn't a dream, and if you are real, then you have to prove it. Like, right now. I've believed in you for a long time, okay? Like, my whole life, in fact. So you kind of owe me now. You don't have to do much. Just a little sign so I know.
I bet you thought I wouldn't make it.
I was beginning to wonder.
They can't be my nightmares, I'm not afraid. The book.
I did my best. Wasn't enough.
No. You came back anyway.
How could I do anything else? My friend.
Are we missing something? A pair whose friendship forever grows. Could it mean something else?
I think it means that Scoob and Shaggy's friendship will live on, whether they're together or not.